Bank Nifty reversed its earlier losses seen today, closing in the green after a nearly 600-point recovery from the day's low. IndusInd Bank led the recovery, gaining over 2%, while HDFC Bank rose about 1%, significantly contributing to the index's upward movement. Godfrey shares surged 20% intraday, extending a two-day rally to 44%. This is driven by a 40% year-on-year rise in Q3 net profit to 316 crore. Over this session and the past session, the stock has cumulatively soared 44% in trade. GSK Pharma shares also gained 20% to hit the upper circuit as the firm's earnings show for the quarter ended December topped estimates on robust volume growth and continued scale-up in the vaccine offtake. Brokerages reaffirmed their bullish ratings on this pharma player. Glenmark Pharma shares rose up to 4% following a strong FY26 guidance and a return to profitability in Q3. The firm reported a profit of about 354 for the quarter compared to a 350 crore loss reported in the same quarter last year. Dilip Bilkon shares rose 4.4% in trade despite mixed Q3 results, which showed a 7.4% rise in its net profit for the quarter, while revenue fell about 10%. Shares of Zen Technologies plunged 20% due to a sequential decline in its Q3 net profit. Its net profit nearly halved to about 39 crore from about 65 crore reported in the previous quarter, despite reporting a year-on-year increase. Samvardhana Motherson shares fell over 3% after brokerages, including JP Morgan and Jefferies, lowered their price targets on the firm due to a soft near-term global outlook for the auto component sector. Despite the Q3 results being in line with estimates, the shares fell today. RVNL shares decreased by about 7% following the release of its Q3 earnings, which showed that net profit that came in at about 311 crore actually fell 13% from about 360 crore reported in Q3 of the previous financial year. Concord Biotech shares fell by nearly 12% in reaction to its subdued Q3 earnings. The firm reported a net profit of 76 crore, which is a 2% year-on-year decrease from 78 crore. Alongside this, the revenue also slipped for the quarter. Genesis International Corporation shares extended losses over the past 3 sessions, falling about 14% today, marking a 6-month low. This comes despite the release of its Q3 FY25 results, which showed that net profit actually rose 30% on year.